Hello friends, the steps I'm about to show you come directly from the technicians at this well-known appliance repair shop, so don't worry, we're going to guide you through fixing it. When a customer brings in their microwave showing EE0, they usually say something like, "I turned it on and suddenly the code appeared and it stopped working." We explain that this error normally means the microwave detected an internal communication failure and locked itself to protect the electronics from further damage. Interestingly, many customers tell us it was working fine yesterday and now it shows EE0, which matches what we see in the shop. Basically, the machine is signaling that something inside isn't responding as it should, and meanwhile, it stays locked as a safety measure. That's why the first thing we do in the shop is very simple. Perform a reset by unplugging the microwave for a few minutes. It may seem basic, but many experts say, "I unplugged it, plugged it back in, and it started working normally." This shows that sometimes EE0 is just temporary and doesn't require any new parts. As we continue checking, if the problem persists, we start suspecting the main control board, which manages all the internal communication. One technician explains, when the board loses communication with a component, the microwave locks itself and shows EE0. This can be caused by power fluctuations, internal wear, or a temporary board failure. At the same time, we also inspect the wiring and internal connections, because even a simple loose contact can trigger the code. Some customers say, sometimes it works, sometimes it shows EE0 for no apparent reason, and this usually points to a loose or dirty connector inside the microwave. In less common cases, the problem may come from internal sensors or the control panel, which aren't sending the correct information to the board. As one technician points out, before replacing any part, you need to measure and check, because often the issue isn't what it seems. This prevents spending money unnecessarily. Additionally, Sharp recommends not forcing the microwave if EE0 appears, and if the error persists, to take it to an authorized service center, since it usually involves the electronics. In the shop, we always make it clear. It's not just about swapping parts blindly. You need a proper diagnosis to ensure a safe and lasting solution.